Today, we're going to be building out a six-figure website using AI. We've got the maths to back it up. And this is based on a video which you can see right here, Credit Where Credit is Due, where he basically talks about orderofbooks.com and how this website is ranking for Amazon affiliate keywords in a very sneaky way. So let me explain exactly how this works and how you can emulate it in your own unique way so that you can generate more money following the same principles from this video. So for example, if we check out orderofbooks.com, essentially what they do is they go after really high volume keywords like you see right here. And these are all very low competition because there's not many people trying to go after keywords like that. Now, the crazy thing about this is when people click on these pages and they're looking through the list of books, you can get Amazon commissions if people click on your Amazon links. It's very, very simple to build out these sort of websites. You can use AI to automate it. And we've actually done the maths here, which you can see inside ChatGPT. How many pages and how many clicks do we need to get the results that we want if we want a six-figure website? And so we've done some assumptions here. We'll go for an average book price of like $10, conversion rate of like 5%. Then we've got the revenue formula, and we've also got ad revenue combined. So we can not only monetize a website with the Amazon affiliate link, but we can also monetize with ad revenue too. And then we've created a pessimistic, okay, and optimistic scenario based on that, right? So pessimistic scenario, let's say we get 300 visits this month, conversion rate 3%, affiliate revenue, $1.50, RPM, $15. I would be a little bit skeptical of this already, but you can see here to hit $8,333 per month from this SEO automated website. Worst case scenario, we need like 138,883 visits per month. Okay scenario, we need 75,000. A good scenario, we need 50,000 because traffic estimates are way lower versus the reality. And then we've got the summary of calculations right here. Obviously, ranking like this and getting this sort of traffic is not going to happen overnight, but it can be done. So if you wanted to do this, you can go inside Bolt. It's completely free to run locally, and you can use free APIs to generate the content locally. So inside Bolt.new, we can take a prompt like this. I will say, create a website on the topic of books in order.com. And if you wanted to tweak this, if you wanted to say, for example, add your Amazon affiliate ID inside all the links to all the books, you could just put Amazon affiliate ID equals, and then we could say for each book that you list, insert the relevant link to buy the book on Amazon. We want to make sure we get a sitemap XML set up, and we want to add relevant meta titles for our content too. If you do have relevant social media links, include that. And then we're also going to say create separate blog post for keyword, and we'll grab one of the keywords on the list. So let's say, for example, we want to take this one, Colleen Hoover books in order, keyword difficulty 3, traffic potential 14,000, like it's just off the charts. Now, one of the things I want to say here is like, don't copy this idea because number one, it's pretty lazy to do that. Number two, ethically, it's not good to do that. Number three, you really want to find your own niche. The best way to get the best results from implementing this is to actually take your own unique twist, right? So we can go into ChatGPT and we could say, give me 20 niche ideas similar to this monetization method, but for a totally different niche. Then what I'm going to do is I'll grab the video notes from today. We'll plug that inside here. And now you can see it's giving us other ideas, right? So for example, like diet plans explained, video game series, and you get the idea. Like you can easily get ChatGPT to automate this stuff for you if you want. Now said, I've created the initial structure. You can see we've got the main sort of homepage of the site. People can search the books, etc. So what we can do from here is we'll take part 2 of the prompt, keyword equals, you insert your keywords, you're like, right, for each page, SEO optimize it, here's how long the content should be. So grab this prompt like so, you would just plug it in here, right? The other thing that you want to be careful of here is like when you're generating the content with AI, you probably want to do some spot checks and just make sure it's not hallucinating or making anything up, right? So if you are giving information out, that's on you to just double check that it's actually correct and factual, etc. So once you've done stage 1, website creation, then stage 2, you do the content creation. Now we can see we've got the page built out for Colleen Hoover books and orders. Writing is super nice, like on the actual page. It's set it up in a way that the design looks really cool too. So you can see here how it's talked about the latest release. Again, you do want to fact check this. So let's have a quick fact check on this one. And you just want to double check that the actual publish date matches what Bolt is saying. And if it's not, then you just course correct it and you ask it to fix it. Now you can see how it's linking out with the Amazon affiliate IDs. And we click on this. You can see here how it's actually linked with my Amazon affiliate ID. You can see how easy that was to do. I would also say like the way that this is designed is better than the original website that we're actually emulating here. One thing I would say, certainly before you publish this, check Amazon's affiliate rules when it comes to monetizing sites like this. You can also go back to ChatGPT and you can say what disclaimers do I need to put on the page plus where, because Amazon affiliate is pretty strict when it comes to their program and you don't want to get banned from that. Right? So for example, you can see where you would place that. You can also put an FTC disclosure, transparency requirement if you want to as well. And also just a general privacy policy disclosure as well. You can see how easy it is to just build out pages like this and start creating like really nicely designed, really nicely written pages that can rank for super high volume keywords. And additionally, you can monetize them. And let's be honest, right? If we're looking at this list and we're like, okay, these calculations look great, but that might not be attainable for the first 6 to 12 months. But even if we get 10% of the way there, we've still got a website that's generating income passively, ranking for our target keywords. We can monetize it with info products, with email lists, etc., which would increase our dollar per lead, aka the earnings. Now, if you want to deploy this, if you want to actually get it hosted, you would just click on deploy and then claim it on Netlify. So pretty exciting stuff. You can do loads of cool stuff with it. If you want to get the access to everything that I've shown you today, step by step, along with all the calculations of how you can make this work, I'll take the video notes from here, copy that link. We'll go into my free SEO course. If we scroll down to the make money sections, and inside here, we'll add a new lesson called 6-figure site bulk, and you can get access to it right then. And if you want to get a free one-to-one SEO strategy session, feel free to book that. Links in the comments description. We'll show you how we take websites from 0 to 145,000 visitors this month, generate thousands of dollars in sales on autopilot. On this free link building acceleration session, you'll get a free SEO domination plan, discover the secrets of building. Right, so any questions you have, you'll learn the best link building strategy for your website, how to quickly outrank your competitors in link building, how to 10x your SEO traffic based on what's working for us. Again, when it comes to this bold project, all you would do is fix all the issues. So you can just click fix problem like so. And then you would run through all the keywords you want to create content around and finish that job off. I'm not going to sit here for 60 minutes doing that, but I want to show you exactly how you can do it and how we did it and how easy it is step by step to do all of this process. So appreciate you watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.